Let's take a look at the Account Health Performance Checklist. Here you'll see the current status of each of your account health metrics, represented by one of three icons. A green check mark means you're meeting Amazon's target for that particular metric. Nicely done! A yellow exclamation point means there's room to improve. Your performance doesn't currently meet Amazon's target, but will not necessarily affect your selling account. Finally, a red X means you're behind Amazon's target, and that continued performance at this level could result in suspension or the removal of your selling privileges. Failure to meet recommended targets doesn't necessarily put your account in negative standing, but failure to improve might. Keep your customers happy, and you'll stay in the green. There are 6 main account health metrics on the performance checklist. In this video, we're going to talk about the first 3: order defect rate, cancellation rate, and late shipment rate. The first metric, order defect rate, or ODR, is calculated by taking the number of orders with a defect and dividing by the total number of orders for each time period. For example, if you have 500 orders in a given time period and only one of them has a defect, your ODR is 0.2%. The target for ODR is less than 1%. An order has a defect if it receives negative feedback, an A to Z guarantee claim, or a credit card chargeback. Credit card chargebacks occur when a customer contacts their bank to dispute the charge for an order. It's important to note that even if there are multiple defects on one order, for example, negative feedback and an A to Z claim, that order is still only counted once in ODR calculations. You can help make sure your ODR metric stays in the green with great customer service. Working proactively with your customers to resolve order problems will help you avoid most A to Z guarantee claims and negative customer feedback. The next metric on the list is your cancellation rate. This is calculated by taking the number of orders that a seller cancels prior to shipping confirmation and dividing by the total number of orders for each time period. The target for cancellation rate is less than 2.5%. When a seller cancels an order prior to shipping, it's typically because the item is out of stock. A certain percentage of stockouts is unavoidable, but it's important to keep items you've listed on Amazon in stock and available to ship. Depending on your preferences, you'll see these alerts on the Seller Central homepage or in your Selling Coach inbox. And keep in mind that only cancellations you initiate will affect your cancellation rate. Buyer cancellations are not taken into account. The third metric to discuss is late shipment rate, or LSR. LSR is calculated by taking the number of orders shipped late and dividing by the total number of orders for each time period. An order is considered late if you confirm shipment after the expected ship date. The target for LSR is less than 4%. To reduce your late shipment rate, make sure you ship and confirm your orders on time. The default ship time is 1 to 2 business days after receiving the order. If you need more time to process orders, you can modify your handling time on the Manage Inventory page in Seller Central. From the Seller Central home screen, hover over the Inventory tab and select Manage Inventory from the drop-down menu. Find the item you want to change the handling time for and click Edit. Scroll down to the Handling Time field and enter the number of days you need to process an order. Click Save and Finish at the bottom of the page and you're good to go. To simplify the shipping process, you may opt to sign up for FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. Selling Coach will suggest specific products from your inventory that you may be able to stock and ship faster through Amazon, as well as other products from brands you carry that lack buying options with fast shipment. To see these recommendations, go to the Amazon Selling Coach page in Seller Central, click the Selling Coach Reports tab, and select Fulfillment Opportunities from the list of options on the left.